Hello everyone, welcome to our group presentation. We will present about the career management and development. Before we jump into the presentation, let me introduce my team members first. My name is Haifa Helena binti Hairuddin and followed by Yusra Atila Zahira binti Abdullah, Nur Alaya binti Nuri Iswadi, Siti Nur Sumaya binti Abdul Razak, Nur Shahilal Ilyana binti Zulkifli, Nur Hani Natasha binti Matsani, and last but not least is Nurul Fazrina binti Adnan. So now let's break it all down.
Introduction. So, as you know, these days there are a lot of ongoing revolution and battle of industry. Thus, that's why career management and development are important. The term of career is referred to a person's journey of employment in a certain profession. The definition of career management is a process of planning an employee's journey toward their professional expertise, and then they carry out this technique through a variety of methods. Meanwhile, career development highlights the ongoing knowledge, skill, and abilities required for professional advancement in order to increase their responsibilities. Why is it important? First, it is critical for individual and the organization have the same need and goals to accomplish. They need to align together towards their goals so that both of them become successful. Second, for personal growth and organization importance. And last, enhance company productivity and boost job satisfaction by reduce the rate of employees leave the company. Okay, there are 4 issues of career management and development. First is developing career motivation. Second, career plateau, career development for non-exempt employees, and last, career development without advancement.
Now, I will be explaining about the first issue, which is the developing career motivation. Career motivation refers to a willingness to make an effort to improve one's career goals. And a person's career motivation is the sum of their wants, interests, and personality traits that will push them to succeed in their professional journey. Individuals who can develop good career motivation can identify their strengths and also imperfections that can be improved in their future career. There are 3 fundamental characteristics that is very important to maintain career motivation, which is the career resilience, career insight, and career identity. The first one is the career resilience, which refers to the individual's ability to adapt with career difficulties, find creative solutions, and keep going even when things becoming more tough. This quality is very important to help workers successfully manage the challenges and uncertainties in the modern work environment. However, possessing these characteristics also has its own difficulties because employees may feel stressed and burnt out throughout their career journey due to a high level of expectation in the profession, and they may did not receive enough support from other people. Other than that, employees may be afraid to take risks because of employees' inability to adjust with a new position, technology, and organizational changes. Secondly, career insight refers to the ability to clearly understand one's career objective as well as one's talents and area for improvement. Individuals with great career insight can efficiently plan and make a wise career decisions. Nevertheless, several challenges including a lack of self-awareness make it hard to get professional insight. Employees who lack self-awareness might experience uncertainties and making a bad career decision. Other than that, inadequate career planning resources will be one of the issues that may arise due to the organization's failure to provide employees with the resources that they need to develop a sense of motivation in their professions. For example, career counseling, mentorship program, and also training opportunities is one of the activities or program that can be done to improve the career motivation. So this will result in employees feeling disoriented and unsupported in the absence of these services. Lastly, career identity is a major problem that arises when developing career motivation because this may be a problem when employee feels that their job is boring and unrelated to their interests, which make it hard to build a strong professional personality. As a result, employees are less committed and motivated when performing their tasks. Additionally, organizations that lack recognition of their employees will make it hard for them to feel connected with their job. This is because the lack of opportunity for advancement and recognition in their career will make them feel demotivated.
The impact of developing career motivation. While motivation drives success, but too much motivation can pressure employee and can cause a problem, and this is how career motivation happens and how we can handle it. Okay, first of all, let's talk about high turnover rate. When employees are consistently chasing goals without support, they get tired and may leave for less stressful jobs. This is not just about losing staff, it affects team morale, increased costs for hiring and training, and disrupts progress. Companies need to support employees to keep them motivated and balanced. Okay. Second is career motivation can cause increased absenteeism. When expectations are too high, employees start feel overwhelmed. They may miss work often or lose interest in their tasks. This puts extra pressure on their teammates and create a cycle of stress. Company must set realistic goals and support their employee. Last but not least is lack of collaboration and teamwork. In competitive environment, employees may focus only for their success and keep information to themselves. This weakens teamwork and reduce productivity. Company need to build trust and encourage collaboration for everyone to success together. To conclude, too much career motivation can lead to turnover, absenteeism, and poor teamwork. But with balance and realistic goals, support, and a team-focused culture, organizations can create a productive and positive workplace.
So now I'll be moving on to the recommendation for the first issue. Firstly, boosting career resilience in employee can be done by providing a mentoring program. This is because mentorship program will be useful for those who are going through tough career times by giving them advice, encouragement, and also inspiration. Other than that, organization may promote resilience by implementing activities like wellness programs, mindfulness session, and also training on stress management. This is because having resilience means overcoming challenges in life and becoming stronger on the other side. Secondly, a career planning workshop may encourage employees' career insight. These seminars typically include tools such as SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and can be a great asset in helping employees develop a comprehensive plan for their professional development. They can also use assessment tools like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator (MBTI) to help individuals learn more about themselves. Lastly, an individual's perception and understanding of oneself within their line of work is referred to as their career identity. So these things shows their feelings about their jobs and sense of connection. In order to gain these characteristics, the organization needs to recognize and celebrate employees' achievements on a regular basis because it helps employees to feel more value in the workplace. Moreover, people can improve their professional identities by hearing about the succession of successful employees or leaders in their field. This will definitely make them feel more motivated to achieve their career goals.
Career motivation is important for personal and professional success. It pushes people to reach their potential, learn how new skills, and achieve goals, which boosts confidence and happiness. When people align their works with their personal values, they often feel more balanced and satisfied in their life. This connection helps them stay committed, strong, and focused on doing their best. Motivated people grow personally and help their workplace succeed. But challenges like unfair treatment at work can lower their motivation and job satisfaction. Understanding how people growth and career development work together help people live meaningful and stable life. Second is importance of resilience and adaptability. Resilience means being strong during tough time and bouncing back from challenge. Adaptability means being open to change and learn new things together. These skills help people handle change and grow in their careers. As industry changes quickly with new technology and ideas, staying adaptable helps people stay relevant and successful. Being resilient and adaptable leads to both personal and professional growth. While the third one is also balancing people and workers. When personal values and career goals match, people find more meaning in their life, especially in their works. This balance leads to a happier and healthy life. Company can help by offering training programs, flexible working hours, and supportive environment. When employees feel supported in balancing personal and work goals, they are stay motivated and loyal. This helps boost the employees and company success.
Next, I will continue with the second issue, which is career plateau. Career plateau defined as the point where the likelihood of additional hierarchical promotion is very low. This was a traumatic experience to the employee where they feel frustrated, guilty, stress, and they feel like they have failure. Other definition of career plateau is a point where an employee feels stuck with no way to progress and to move up in the company. It says that the employee have grown up as much as they can in their career with the company or their skill. There are three types of career plateau. First is structural plateau. It happens when the organization doesn't have any higher position to be offered to the employees due to its hierarchical structure. Next is content plateau, where it happens when the employee lacks of skills or experience to move up to the higher position. Lastly, personal plateau, where it involves employees' personal life, such as health problem or family problem.
The next one is the significance of career plateau. Career plateaus are significant because it directly impacts employees' motivation and satisfaction in some way. Career plateaus must be addressed if the process results from stagnation, because this would be a stumbling block to creativity and flexibility in a dynamic environment. The first significance of addressing career plateaus is to support employees' well-being. When employees feel stuck in their roles without a possibility of training, promotion, or advancement, it will lead to psychological consequences such as stress, burnout, and emotional exhaustion. This effect will end up undermining their job satisfaction and overall mental health. Therefore, it is crucial for organizations to address career plateaus to reduce these psychological burdens. By offering opportunities for growth and career progression, organizations will promote the well-being of their employees and foster a supportive and healthy work environment. The second significance is to enhance employees' motivation and productivity. When employees feel that their effort and abilities are unappreciated, their engagement and performance will decline, which end up leading to reduced productivity. So, by addressing this career plateau, organizations can provide employees with the opportunity for advancement and recognition. This will help employees to boost their morale, job satisfaction, and job performance. Ultimately, creating a fair and dynamic work environment is essential for maintaining a motivated workforce, which is vital for organization success. And lastly, ensuring organizational justice is crucial when addressing career plateaus. Extended career plateau, coupled with perceived organizational neglect, can lead to dissatisfaction and a pessimistic outlook among employees. Employees will judge the fairness of their workplace through promotion decisions and the distribution of resources. If employees feel that they are being treated unfairly, this can lead to the demotivation and reduced job performance. So, by focusing on organizational justice and ensuring fair treatment, organizations can minimize this negative effect and maintain a committed and productive workforce.
Okay, now I will explain about the impact of career plateau. Career plateau can impact job performance in both negative and subtle ways. When employees feel stuck in their career and has no chance of moving up or being promoted, they may feel a range of emotional, behavioral, and motivational that can affect their work. Many will agree that one of the most frustrating experiences is to be willingly stuck in their job role for a long period of time. Firstly, career plateau can decrease job satisfaction among the employees. Job satisfaction decreases when employees feel uninterested in their work, so they no longer feel challenged or fulfilled in their roles, which can lead to turnover. Many employees may seek another opportunities that will challenge them for growth and another opportunities for development. Secondly, career plateau can cause negative impact on employees' mental health. The feeling of being stuck in one role can lead to stress, anxiety, and burnout. Employees who stuck in their roles may overwork until they feel burnt out and lose motivation in their work. Burnout can cause lasting effects on employees' well-being and performance. Thirdly, career plateau can affect leadership and team dynamics. When leaders lack of leadership motivation, they may lose their urge to inspire and motivate their team effectively. Employees may mirror their leaders' behavior that can affect team members to do better work performance in the organization. Leaders who experience career plateau also make their team members lose their confidence and trust to do something. The conclusion is career plateau indeed have negative impact on job performance in the organization, the manager must take their responsibility to addressing career plateau in the organization to maintaining employee motivation, job satisfaction, team dynamics, and mental health.
I will continue to the next part, which is the recommendation to prevent this career plateau issue. First recommendation is volunteer for more cross-department work. If the employees' participation on projects that outside their usual team, they can broaden their knowledge and skill aside of expanding their network and strengthen their soft skill. By joining projects, especially more challenging one, the employee can learn how to handle more difficult works with learning new skills and technique. Second recommendation is continuous learning and skill development. With investing in continuous learning and skill development, the employee can improve their qualification to move beyond their current role. They must identify the skill and the knowledge that needed within the organization and align them with their personal goals. Lastly, employees can develop a personal brand and market themselves. When they build their solid personal brand and effectively marketing themselves, they can attract new opportunity and furthering their career progression. To rebrand themselves, they can showcase their achievement, skill, and expertise that they have through platforms such as LinkedIn profile or a professional portfolio.
In conclusion, both individual and organization need to play their essential role so that career development and management can be effective. Therefore, as a future HR, we need to understand the need of employees and organization to align them according to both individual and company aim. I think that's all from us. Thank you.